blessed morning, everyone. This is Nicole, your mobile bloggist for TOCtown.com, and just wanted to take a quick second to share with you on Writers Wednesday a tip, tool, and of course a planner's technique for production. What I'm using this week is my Hobonichi Techo. Actually, for the next couple months, I'm using it as my go-to, my everyday jotted down, type of planner. So of course I'll have a full review available for you hopefully in the next week or so. Alright, but in the meantime, Print Pray Slay has an Etsy shop. She has a great YouTube channel, and what I did was digitally download one insert, which is, I think it's called Purification or Salted. You have to check in the details for the link. But what I did was, since she only allowed whoever to download her material to use it only for personal use, I decided to use it for professional development, or in my case, personal development. Look up the scripture with the Bible that I have, which is the New Living Bible. And it says, "For everyone will be purified with fire. Salt is good for seasoning, but if it loses its flavor, how do you make it salty again? You must have the qualities of salt among yourselves." I did a oops, so I'll write it in later, but it's supposed to be among yourselves, "and live in peace with each other." So even though you download, you may do Bible journaling, it's a good thing to sit down, reflect on, the materials that you've gathered, reflect on it. Actually printed it in two different sizes. Let me move this to the side for a second. I printed it for my 4x6 Hobonichi, and I think I posted it in post, and also for my bigger planners like my Happy Planner Classic, or even my Purpose planner, which is a weekly and a daily. I'm going to be using larger sizes. So, and I printed it on white sheet, and I'm going to print it on clear Avery paper. But the reason why I went ahead and downsized it and printed it, so then I can just use it in my Hobonichi sparingly. Let me flip to it real quick. There. So therefore I can write down notes, and even when I do some reflection, I review my notes and see what I've written in times past. So this is definitely going to serve as a memory planner, as well as a instruction, production, tip, tool, and planner technique. Of course, if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below. I'm Nicole, your mobile bloggist for TOCtown.com, and I'm live and local working on the Express today. Take care.